This is for educational purposes only. It is not a financial advice and it's not a call to action. Bro, look at these purchases. Just look at the deck screener, man. Solana meme coin earnings are trending again. There's a new golden launch method that developers are using to make some really good money. In this video, I will explain step by step how to launch your own meme coin in Solana and start trading it. This new method is very profitable because people will buy and trade your token even without any marketing. These are organic purchases, meaning your meme coin will naturally gain popularity. But folks, this is not a financial advice. Some developers are already using this new Solana meme coin strategy and are making thousands of dollars a day. This method is still new and I don't know how long it will remain profitable, but for right now, it works just great. And again, guys, this is for educational purposes only. It is not a financial advice and it is not a call to action. The goal is to show you how the process of creating and trading meme coins on Solana in 2025 really works and why it is so popular again. Okay guys, let's get to it. First of all, we need this site. I will leave the link to the site in the video description. This site has a new feature that is not yet available on other similar sites. Guys, many people are now creating meme coins on Pump.Fun, but now, it works so bad. I mean, just look at how many tokens there are. It's a very bad option, to be honest. Tokens on Pump.Fun not profitable for creators now at all, like at all. We will not use Pump.Fun, we will create a token directly and it will immediately appear on the screener. That's why we will not use Pump.Fun. We will create our token directly and it will immediately appear on the deck screener and the same platforms. When launching a token on the sites like this, the token will automatically appear on deck screener. Alright, first to go to the deck screener and choose any token that is popular now. Let me choose a good token, which I will copy, which is popular now, and this is necessary to have more buyers. Okay, I found a token. Just a random popular token, you know? If the token is created the same day, it is very good. Just swell. And now I click create token. Okay, copy the picture, name and symbol. And now I will launch 1 billion tokens. But guys, let me tell you. In fact, the quantity does not really matter. And now we'll specify the description. It can be funny or informative or whatever. And now to the most important thing, a new function. We will replace the information about the token creator. More precisely, we will replace why this Solana meme launch method really works. Okay, let me explain why this method is so effective. Take a look at this service. Here you can find information about new token issued on Solana. There are many such services and in total they are monitored by hundreds of thousands of buyers, traders, and sniper bots who are constantly looking for profitable opportunities. For example, here's the wallet information of the token creator. The idea is to find creator wallet that holds a lot of Solana. Then we launch a new token with very low liquidity, maybe only 3 as well. This token instantly appears on all those monitoring services. I mean Deck, Screener, Axiom, and so on. And buyers see not only the token itself, but also the wallet behind it. And when traders notice that the creator's wallet is full of Solana, they assume that they have intentionally added a little liquidity so that the insiders and influencers could buy in cheaply. And later, they expect that the creator will put all this Solana into liquidity and the price of meme coin will literally skyrocket. And here's the interesting thing. Sometimes these traders are absolutely right. Many developers are using this exact strategy to launch their tokens. This is why buyers and sniper bots continue to look for such coins. They think it's a golden opportunity. And today we will simulate the same method with our own token, so you can understand how hype and trading volume are created organically without any additional marketing. Look, this is a good example. The creator launched a token with low liquidity, but his wallet had a lot of Solana. Any buyer could buy this meme token at a very low price for 20 minutes, and then this token flew to the moon. Today, I will create a token that will seem the same to the buyers. Let me tell you. Well, I found a wallet that has a lot of Solana. I copied the wallet address and pasted it right here. Well, I choose all this because it increases the credibility of the token. Okay, in order for the token to appear everywhere, including DEX screener, you need to create a liquidity pool. This can be done, for example, on Pump.Swap. This is a new function on Pump.Fun or on Radio, or directly on the site, turning on this option right here. Specify how much Solana in your token you want to add to the liquidity. Don't worry, liquidity always can be withdrawn back, and this is exactly what we'll do. Withdraw liquidity back after the traders buy our token. I will add liquidity on this side. I have already launched many tokens here. Look, I open the liquidity pool page, and all my tokens are profitable. Okay, now let's get back to creating a token. I'll add 3 Solana to the liquidity pool, but you can add less, for example 1 Solana. But I have already launched many tokens using this method, and the biggest profit is when the liquidity is about 3 Solana. But with 1 Solana, it is also good. Okay, now I will indicate how many tokens I will add to the liquidity pool. I recommend adding 90% of the total supply. So for example, if 1 billion tokens are launched, then we will add 900 million. Okay, now I choose a 2% fee, and that's it. Now I paste my wallet address here. Tokens will be sent to this address, and the address will be the real owner. Now I click Launch Token. In the CA payment window, I need to send Solana to this address right here. This is the price for creating a token. Okay, I made a transaction, and now I click Check Transaction. And boom! I see my Memecoin address right here. And now I click on the address and SolScan opens. I copy the address of my token. Now we copy the token address, go to the DEX screener and select any token. Now we need to replace this token address with ours. Okay, great. We see our token on the DEX screener. We already see instant purchases by Sniper Bots. Okay, great. We see our token on the DEX screener. And we already see instant purchases by Sniper Bots. But I think, guys, this is too little to us, you know? This is not enough. So we need to wait a few minutes for the real people to start buying. And note that the DEX screener displays liquidity twice as much as the real one. This is because it also takes into account our token, which now has a price. Now I just sit back and watch my tokens being bought and traded in real time. Yes, guys. This is what crypto trading looks like today. Memecoins and Solana are trending again now. That's why we see new golden methods of token launching almost every week. If you've been in crypto for a while, you already know that during a bull market, new strategies always appear that allow you to make some serious money fast. But here's a catch. These profitable methods don't work forever. They usually work for a short time, and then they just stop working. So if you found a really good strategy for launching Memecoins on Solana, you need to act fast and use it ASAP before it stops working. But guys, in the meantime, I will just speed up the video and let's see what happens in, let's say, 15 minutes. Look, the Sniper Bots have joined in. They're buying in multiple transactions, sometimes even 5 as well each. Okay guys, if I remove the liquidity right now, I get about 13 Solana. That's very good. That's a good profit. You can see how fast the token value is growing and how the graph is growing. Folks, now Memecoins and Solana are enjoying great popularity again, and new strategies are emerging. This approach is effective now, but there's no guarantee that it will still work in a few weeks. But guys, hey, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See ya!